and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I went to Target, and I feel like I only shop at Target when it comes to clearance, which I am totally fine with. So I went to two stores. I actually wasn't thinking Target was going to hit 90% today. I was thinking it was going to hit it tomorrow. But I'm like, I'm just going to check anyways. And I found out, I checked on Brickseek. I just typed in Valentine's. And I just kind of picked an item. And I'm like, okay, that's how I can tell if my store is 90%. In the past, some of my locations are 70 and some of them are 90. But everything in my area hit 90 today, which I was pretty excited about. I went to two stores. They're about 5 minutes apart. I went there, you know, I'm a girl on a mission. And what I also like to do is I like to shop in different areas other than just the clearance section, because you'll never know what you're going to find. And this is what I found. I found these cute little purses. You know, it's a cute little purse. You can make it pretty long. I think it's super cute. This was originally $18, you guys. I got it for $1.80. I thought that was so pretty. This is like perfect for me if I want to, like, you know, go out and dress up a little bit. I can wear this. And then I actually got two of them because we have a friend, her birthday's coming up in like June, and I thought this would be a cute little gift to give a 7-year-old when she turns 7. I thought that was super cute. So I got that, plus I had to get one for Miss Charlotte or myself when we get that, but for like $1.80 for a purse. I think that's so adorable. So I got that. Now this is the first thing I grabbed when I got to the clearance section, were the Hershey Kisses pants. I'm like, they better have my pants, you guys. Like, I want my pants. I don't know why I'm snapping, but I'm just like, I want my pants. So these were originally $16.99, and I got them for $1.60. I have been wearing lounge pants like crazy. When I am not out and about, you guys, I've been wearing sweatpants and lounge pants. So I thought these were super cute, and I absolutely love them. I mean, I just snatched those right up. I had to. So I got that. I found these over in the beauty section and like an end or like a side cap or whatever. These were originally $3.99. I got them for 39 cents. Charlotte ended up wanting to take them from me, so she ended up having some lunch on one of them, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna take all of these. The reason is I don't really like using the real hard scrunchies, and these are kind of soft for my hair. So I thought, I'm gonna get these, you know, these will last me a long time. So for 39 cents, I love it. So I ended up getting all four what they had. So I wanted to get that. I went to go scan it, and then I saw somebody looking at them because she had like a whole cart full of Valentine's Day stuff. And she looked at them, and then she walked away, and I just grabbed them all because I'm like, no. So yeah, I ended up just getting some 3 pouches of baby food for Charlotte. So I didn't figure out my math, but that's just kind of factored in with what I got, what I share with you guys on that. I ended up getting this Glow Art. This is kind of like a light bright. This was, I think, 50 cents for this thing. Yeah, I think it was 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents for this. I thought that's kind of good. You know, something a little simple. I might put some of this stuff in Ben's Easter basket. So they had these like squishy poop emoji things. I thought, oh my god, I gotta get one of these. It's the Poo collection. These were just 50 cents for these. Yeah, so I ended up just getting 2 of them. I'm like, we're gonna get some poop. So this would be a great thing to put in his Easter basket. I got some amazing putty. You can actually, it changes like colors when you put your thing to it. There's laser putty, magnetic, color changing, and glow in the dark. I didn't really look. I just got something, but it's like a tin. This was, I think, 50 or 60 cents. I think this was 60 cents for this, so we got that. And then we got some Planet Putty. I just got this one. This was 50 cents also, so I just, you know, got that. These are great things to use for Easter, so we got that. Now, as you guys know, we're having a birthday party for Miss Charlotte. I'm having the Little Mermaid theme, and I was just kind of looking around. I always check everywhere in the store for end caps, and they had these like Little Mermaid notebooks. These were originally $3. They're on clearance for $1.50 for 6 of them. I thought these would be kind of cute to put in the little grab bags for the kids. When I went to my other store, they had these on clearance for $2.08. So I'm glad I got them for $1.50. So I thought that'd be kind of cute just to have, you know, for the party, because her birthday's coming up, and might not be any babies there, but there's gonna be older kids there. So I gotta hide this stuff where Benjamin doesn't see what I got. so the Easter Bunny can get him something. Now, I always like to shop ahead, you guys know that, and I wanted to get some Valentines that weren't going to be out of date. Like, they had Toy Story 4, which is awesome, but Toy Story 4 came out this year, not next year. So I found these scratch and sniff food cards. I thought these would be kind of cool. I got 2 boxes because I'm assuming, you know, each kid, I'm assuming there's going to be like less than 36 kids. But I thought there's a pizza, a donut, a taco, and a cookie. I thought these were super cute to have. So I got these to use for Valentine's Day for Benjamin next year. These were, one store had no Valentines whatsoever. It was so weird. And the other store had a ton. I got these for 35 cents a piece. I could have read because there's $3.50 right here on the tag. So I got those for 34 cents. Thought that was a good deal. Now, as you guys know, I love shopping. I love giving gifts away. I just love it. So I ended up getting these for the kids for Ben's little goodie bag. Now, last year for Michael's mystery boxes, I ended up getting a bunch of like little baggies to use. So I ended up using those this year for his Valentine's, and I still have some more left. So I'm going to actually do little gift bags for the kids. So we got these little squishy stretch critters. It looks like there's dinosaurs, mermaids, just a bunch of different things. These were $3 and I got them for 30 cents. I ended up getting 3 bags of these. I didn't go super crazy this year because I'm just like, I don't need to go crazy. But there was 16 in each one, so I thought that was kind of good. And then I ended up getting these little like spiky balls. I ended up just getting 2 of these. I don't know why I got 3, but you know, whatever. I was gonna actually use one of these for Charlotte's birthday party gift bags. That's what I got a second one for. I ended up getting these. Again, these were $3. I got for 30 cents. Love it. So this is stuff that I'm going to put. I have a Valentine's Day tote. I'm going to put all that stuff in there for Valentine's Day. This has nothing to do with Valentine's Day, but what I found out is all the Valentine's Day stuff is always on clearance, except I've noticed that the Cat and Jack stuff is not. They had Valentine's Day clothes in the kids section, and I scanned it and none of those were on sale, or some of them was on sale but not cheap enough. So I've noticed that, you know, it's all the licensed stuff that's always on sale, none of the Cat and Jack. But I had to get this sweater for Miss Charlotte. This sweater just popped out to me. This was originally $16 and I got it for $4.85. I just had to get it, you guys. Like, it looks so cute. I mean, I just had to get it. So this wasn't my Valentine's Day haul, but I had to, just had to. Now this was sitting here all by itself and I'm like, oh, these must be socks. So there are 3 pairs of socks. I think these are adult socks. But the box looks like it got ripped open, but whatever. I think these are, yeah, these are adult socks. I just got these. These were 40 cents, I think. No, 80 cents. So we got, you know, a pink one, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Now these are the crew socks. So we got those, and then, that's weird. They're supposed to be like a clear, oh, it flaps open. Okay, so you can see the socks. Sorry, my phone's going off. And then we got these ones. So that's what I got for that. And then I got one more bag to share with you guys. So I ended up getting this little dress. Now this is an extra large and I know it's a little big, but they didn't hardly have, oh no, this is a large. So I don't know if she'll be into it when she's in a large, but I thought I'm going to totally get this for her. And if not, we can always, you know, do something with it, especially with the tulle. But this was $22.99 and I got it for $2.29. So I thought that was super cute. I really wanted to get a lot of clothes, but somebody beat me to it. Their whole cart was full of clothes, but you know, she resells it, I know for sure. But I'm like, I just wanted to get one of those outfits. She had some really cute outfits, but I'm like, whatever. If it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't meant to be. And then I got this one. Again, this is a large. They didn't hardly have any little kid stuff. But this was $11.99, so I got it for $1.19. So I thought Miss Charlotte would like that when she gets a little bit older. So one store I paid $17.09. Keep in mind I did buy a $4 sweater, so it would have been technically $13.09 for all that stuff. And then with the other transaction, I paid $9.09, but I did buy 3 of the baby food. So if you guys think about it, I paid $6. So I think I did pretty good. I didn't go crazy. I'm not trying to go crazy. I know I realized for Halloween I went super, super crazy, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I didn't want to go crazy this time, but I'm excited what I got. I'm so excited for that purse to give to that birthday party we're going to in June. But if you guys enjoyed it, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys check your Target. Every Target is different, but I know usually it's like 90% for like 2 days, and then they get rid of everything. So if you guys enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.